my name is Tarun Nakpal and I'm from the team WhiteSnake. This project was developed as a part of the hackathon organized by Level Supermind. In this video, I will walk you through how we build an analytical model to analyze social media engagement data. So as you can see here, the assignment was to create a basic analytic model using the Langflow and DataStax. We had to analyze the engagement data from the mock social media accounts by creating the dataset and analyzing the post performance and generate the insights using the GPT. So first of all, begin with the creating a mock dataset using the pandas in Python with columns such as post types, reason, state, like, shares, comment, views, and generated around 10,000 rows of random data. And this is the line flow. Now the workflow at the bottom stores the dataset in the database. First, the CSV is loaded using the file component, and this split text according to the chunk size into the chunks because it stores using the vectors. So this chunk size around 10 means 1000. The data is stored in the assignment database, and this is, you can see here, and under the collection name engagement data social media. I have used the Google embeddings, which because I have the Gemini API key, and embedding is used to create a vector. And tell me how you vector. Vector is a database. Vector database means is mainly used for efficiently storing and retrieving the high dimensional vector data. It's mainly because a GPT is very efficient on the vector databases. So here you can see the database, which is assignment, and under the collection name was a engagement data social media, and the vector is created according to the data. So this workflow upper, it's takes the user accept the user input and queries the STRDB dataset and retrieve the necessary document, and embedding also used here to read the relevant data. The data is then passed to the parse data because the parsing component used to extract the plain text, which is fed in the GPT model and generate the meaningful insights. And I use the Google GenAI for the GPT integration. The prompt is very important. This because how you want model to behave and generate the data according to the chat input. And once the analytic module was working, it means it's working, I create a more Node.js backend to fetch the Langflow API, and I deployed this backend on the render for optimal performance. And next, I connected the backend to the React.js frontend, which is I deployed on the Vercel. The final application allows you to interact the data seamlessly through the clean and responsive interface. And sometimes it's give you graph according to the data, means according to the user's input. So say, hey, how are how are you? So it's responding. That means it's social media analysis Langflow versus dot app, and it takes some time sometimes because it's deployed on the free render service, means backend. So yeah, how doing well? Thank you for asking. How can I help you? So hey buddy, hey buddy, can you provide av- average likes per month? This chat input goes to the front end to backend by calling the backend API, and then from backend to go for the Langflow API, and from the GPT integrations and insights according to the SRDB provide the output and goes to the front end by back. So yeah, so the average number of likes is calculated and give also the recommendations. Yeah, the total likes, post counts, average likes, and give the graph according to the data. So yeah, thank you.